guys. So,
ito ang aming first ever solo travel as a couple.
yes.
Kaming dalawa lang, guys. As in, wala akong kasamang isang batalyon. Kami pala, kasi pamilya
Only
ko
the
palagi.
two of us.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just
kakatapos
the
na ng
two of
wedding
us.
namin a week ago.
Yep.
So we are bound to Narita
Yeah.
again. But
We're
only
going
the
to
two of us.
Japan.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Bye-bye. Na-traffic siya doon. Bye-bye.
Our guest assigned at the board the flight through gate number 110.
Boarding. Bango talaga dito sa Japan. Amoy Japan. We are back. Revenge time. Nagutom na kami. Salmon ko na may dapat kulay na sa natin. Finally, we arrived at Shinjuku Station. We just crossed the street and we'll proceed to the bus terminal located at the 4th floor of the building. Knockout na siya si Boss Brandy. Boss Brandy. Unfortunately, we weren't able to take some videos while we were on the bus to Mount Fuji because we fell asleep. Nakababa na kami ng bus. So, nasa Kawaguchiko Station namin. We just arrived sa Kawaguchiko. Sobrang lamig dito. Ganap na kami dinner. Tsaka sa lalaarin namin yung accommodation. Malapit lang. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Okay, dinner time. 7-Eleven time. Let's go, Bob. Let's go. Di mo na makita Fuji.
We're finally here. Thank you, Lord. Good morning, Ohio. Day 2 of our
Japan honeymoon trip.
yeah. Let's go.
Let's
Green
go.
stripes for today. So, mag-work. Breakfast muna kami kasi may free breakfast sa baba ng 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. We're on a budget-friendly honeymooners. Good morning.
Good morning. Napakalamig.
Bibalik na tayo.
Bob.
Babating naman to.
Okay, punta na kami ngayon sa shuttle to Kawaguchiko Station. Hi, gozaimasu. Good morning.
It's raining and we don't have an umbrella.
Bad weather. Bad weather.
So, we're walking in the rain. Because
Maulan ngayon, pero ambon lang naman. So meron ditong
DIY kami.
DIY kami, makikisabay kami
kami
sa tour bus.
Hindi namin kasi alam papunta talaga.
DIY na lang tayo guys. Mambon pero sila din. Hindi sila natatalaban. So yun na nga. Bibili kami ng payo.
Okay. Thank you.
Siyempre ayaw namin magkasakit. Mahaba-haba pa yung biyahe. Kalimutan ko.
Ang daming pagkain.
Ayan na.
No, they're the same.
Oh, mahal oh. What brown?
Hot brown doon. Blue. Niloloko nila ako.
Ayan, oh.
Ayan. Ayan, Bob. Baba, that's the point. So, dapat ito yung view natin ngayon. Kaso, dahil umulan, hindi natin makita si Mount Fuji. Kaya we're so sad. Lord, please, magpakita na si Mount Fuji.
Gigantic takoyaki. Takoyaki authentic. Japan. Napakalaki. Uy.
It's not hot. Yeah.
Sarap.
Ako din susunod.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya.
Yep, ang sarap.
Break time. Sulit 800 yen dyan ah.
Ang sarap ito.
Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Pinapili niya. Japanese beef.
Mahal, bipicturean kita. First bite.
Milky.
Ang sarap.
Hard.
Batang sarap.
Pati barbecue sauce. Sabi ako.
Yameru.
Meron. Init na.
We're going to...
はい、川口湖行きです。川口湖行きです。IC カードタッチお願いします。IC カードタッチお願いします。川口
Ang galing dito guys, kasi bumaba kami ng train. Tapos itong, ano bang tawag ito? Theme park. Basta itong Fuji Q Highland, free admission siya. So paglabas namin, we just need to tap our Suica or basta yung pang train na tapan. Free admission siya. Parang kailangan lang namin makalabas. Parang yung beep card. Ganun. Yay!
We're at Fuji Q.
Fuji Q
Highland.
Yay!
Diyan kita dyan, ma'am. Free
Free ticket!
admission tickets. Bayad lang dito kung gusto mo mag-rides.
Yeah. So cool.
Pwede ka mamasyal.
Galing.
Ah, sige.
Wow, arigato.
Cut mo muna.
Galing.
Cut mo muna. Wow. Sobrang extreme ng rides dito. Kaya mo ba yun?
Kaya yun.
Ayoko din.
Umiikot ka na.
Umiikot ka na.
Nagbayad ka lang para mamatay.
PJR.
Guys, alam nyo, wala akong ibang gusto ng karakter sa Naruto. Si Gaara lang. Dahil sa GameCube ng kuya ko. Hey, Gaara. Ayan na yun.
Yung pera na sa'yo na. Wallet.
Ano ba?
Hindi ako mapaniwala mo. Dito ako parang panaginip.
Dati.
Papanood ko na. I would like to thank my very supportive wife. Wife? Wow, grabe. Thank you, Bob, sa support.
Sama naman yan siya mararara.
Sa Islang Pantropiko naman dyan.
Sa Islang Pantropiko.
Oh, shucks. Ito ba?
Oh, shucks. Ito ba'y pag-ibig na?
We've waited for this moment for a very long time. We've waited for each other. And while we were on our season of waiting, we became obedient to our parents and to God. It's really worth the wait. And truly, there's always a blessing after obedience.
I just realized something while we were on this trip. Yes, it's fun to travel with many people, but there's something different traveling with the one you love.
As they say, travel bonding unlocks a new level of love.
Sobrang.
Wala na.
Wala na nga.
Strawberry and grape na lang po.
Sige.
Taste test. Okay, mahal.
May picture mo na.
Okay. Strawberry and grapes from Strawberry Fetish inside.
Hindi ko pa to
QDQ.
natitikman kahit kailan. Nakikita ko lang to sa mga reels.
Ako din eh.
Panghulo.
Okay. Taste test.
Uy, ang lamig niya.
Yes.
Ang sarap. Sarap.
Strawberry ng Japan yan.
Ang sarap ikaw, baba.
Grape na yung akin.
Hindi, mamaya pa.
Lamig.
Sarap, no? Ito pa sa'yo. Akin naman yung grape sa dulo. Picture.
Parang ano siya? Yung caramel coat, candy.
Oo. Adan.
Ang strawberry.
Wow.
Must try.
Yameru.